Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to change your WhatsApp notification sound on your iPhone. It's a pretty straightforward process, so let's get right to it. First things first, open up the WhatsApp application on your iPhone. Then, you'll want to navigate to the Settings tab. You'll find that in the bottom right corner of the screen. Okay, once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down just a little bit until you see the Notifications option. Tap on that. Now, you'll see a list of different notification types that you can customize. At the very top, you'll see the options for individual message notifications. Go ahead and tap on Sounds under that section. This will bring you to a list of all the different notification sounds you can choose from. For this example, let's choose the Aurora sound. Just tap on it to hear a preview. Once you found a sound you like, tap Save in the top right corner of the screen. And just like that, you've successfully changed your notification sound for individual messages. But wait, there's more. You can also change the notification sound for group chats. Just select Sounds underneath the Group Notifications section. Again, browse through the list, choose a sound that you like and tap Save in the top right corner. And that's all there is to it. You've now successfully customized your notification sounds for both individual messages and group chats within WhatsApp. You can now go back to using WhatsApp as you normally would, but now with your preferred notification sounds. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like. And don't forget to subscribe to Fix Zone for more helpful tips and tricks just like this one. Thanks for watching.